In 1898, artist Jean-Marc Coté created a series of illustrations imagining the year 2000. One image eerily depicts people using headsets to communicate, essentially predicting modern video calls. At the time, this was pure fantasy, but today, it's an everyday reality. Did Coté have a glimpse into the future, or was it just an incredible coincidence? In 1863, artist Jules Verne's Illustrator depicted a city with flying machines and towering skyscrapers. The resemblance to modern New York is uncanny. At the time, airplanes and high rises were unheard of, yet the artwork seems to foreshadow the future. Was this a lucky guess, or did Verne and his illustrator tap into something beyond imagination? In 1937, artist Tullio Crawley painted Nosedive on the City, showing a plane diving towards skyscrapers. Decades later, the tragic events of 9/11 bore an unsettling resemblance. Crawley was part of the futurist movement, fascinated by speed and technology, but did his vision unintentionally foresee a dark moment in history? In 1914, artist Marcel Duchamp painted The Bride Stripped Bare by her bachelors, Even, featuring a cracked glass panel. Years later, the glass accidentally shattered. Exactly as depicted in the artwork, Duchamp embraced the accident as part of the piece. Was this a mere coincidence, or did the painting somehow predict its own fate?